This is number 4. Given the table t and r prime t. Part A. Approximate the second derivative using the average rate between 7 and 10. So r prime double prime 8.5 equals r prime at 10 minus r prime at 7 over 10 minus 7 give us 0.6 over 3. So because the unit for r prime is centimeters per day over t, which is day, so the unit here will be centimeter per day, or you can write centimeters per day squared. Part B, is there a time between 0 and 3 where r prime equals -8? Because r prime, the function itself is not given, just some random values of r prime. So we know we are going to use the big theorems like I.V.T or the M.V.T, the mean value theorem and the intermediate value theorem. So this one, given r prime at 0 equals -6.1 and r prime at 3 equals -5. And the value we are looking at is -6, is right between r prime 0 and r prime 3. As r prime, this function r is twice differentiable, so r is twice differentiable. So r is continuous and differentiable, so r prime is also continuous and differentiable. In this case, based on intermediate value theorem, there exists at least one point where r prime t equals -6. Part C, use the right Riemann sum with 4 subintervals to approximate the value of integration from 0 to 12. So the right Riemann sum is given by -5 times 3 minus 0 plus -4.4 times 7 minus 3, -3.8 times 10 minus 7 plus -3.5 times 12 minus 10. You can leave your answer like this. If you evaluate, the answer will be -51. Part D, the height of the cone decreases at a rate of 2 centimeters per day. So this is a related rate problem. At t equals 3, r is 100 and h equals 50. Find the rate of change, so we are looking for dv over dt. And the volume equation is given here. So volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. So dv over dt equals 1/3 pi times product rule here, 2r times dr dt times h plus. Right now, we just need to plug in all the values. R equals 100, h equals 50, and dh over dt equals -2 here because it's decreasing. And dr over dt at t equals 3 is -5. We plug everything in. This gives us 1/3 pi times 2 times 100 times dr over dt -5 h 50 plus r squared dh over dt -5. You can leave your answer like this, or you simplify it. 70,000 over 3 pi cubic centimeters per day.